Hello everybody and welcome to ArbShooters.com. This fast starters guide will show you exactly how it all works and also explain the right steps you need to take to have success. If you stumble across this video on YouTube or somewhere else and you're wondering how it all works or with a bit more information, go ahead and visit ArbShooters.com. You will learn a lot more there. This is for people that have just joined the ArbShooters free group on WhatsApp. You can also find out more information about ArbShooters on other platforms including Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. So what is ArbShooters used for? Essentially it's a clever software tool to help people make money online using either the desktop or mobile. The average return on your investment is around 30%, which is incredible. It's also used as a price predicting tool, which is essential for people that want to gauge how well or how bad the sports markets are looking. And finally, this is also used by people who are looking for extremely good value bets. And by value bets I mean people that trade in sports and want to get a higher return from when they're placing their bets, better value essentially. So if you've just joined and you've come across this video, you're probably seeing a group like this on WhatsApp. So what you'll see here is a group of new people like yourself who have just joined, and what you need to do is simply tap on the title of the group chat at the very top where it says ArbShooter. Tap here. This will give you some further instructions on the display picture of how it works in a quick summary. Don't worry, I will explain a bit more. Then click on the group description. It'll give you some more very important links to follow, especially the very first one. It says all posts are here. You need to also join this group as well. It's important you join this group because this is where you will receive examples of Arb alerts. So here I am, I've clicked the link and I've also joined the ArbShooters no chat group. This is where you will receive ongoing Arbs and give you a taste of the kind of returns our members are making. Don't worry if this doesn't make sense right now, but just make sure you've also joined this group. So what is an Arb? Well, Arb is short for arbitrage. And arbitrage is basically a common situation where a bookmaker, say for example Paddy Power or Bet365, their odds are bigger than the price that appears in a betting exchange. An exchange commonly people use is Betfair. Every time this happens, we can make a nice profit. So essentially every time the bookmaker odds are greater than the exchange odds, we'll make a profit. So let's say for example you bet on a horse to win and you also bet on the horse not to win. So you bet a horse to win with Bet365, then you bet on the same horse not to win in Betfair's exchange. So you've hedged your risk, right? But because there's a difference in the price, that's where we make a profit. So the percentage difference between the bookmaker odds versus the exchange odds will be your profit. So a quick example is, say for example you bet on a horse called Hungry Hippo with Bet365, the odds are 7.0, and then you also see odds on Hungry Hippo not to win at 5.5, which gives you an estimate ROI of 25%. How do we calculate our profit? Well, that's simple. We go ahead and use Profit Squirrel's calculator. I've already got an account open up here. Just go to profitsquirrel.co.uk. You can get a free account with Profit Squirrel, and then just head over and click on odds calculators, and you want to use a simple calculator. So let's go with this example. Let's say we place a £20 bet on the horse to win at odds of 7.0, and then the lay of the horse not to win is 5.5, and there's normally a commission when you use an exchange of 2%. So here we know that we're going to make around £5 guaranteed profit if we went ahead with this Arb alert. Don't worry too much about how the maths work for this or this calculator. Just know it's based on maths and it's 100% accurate. And if you want to learn the maths for this, we have a separate video for you to learn and understand. But rest assured, this is 100% robust and this will show you how to make your profits. If I placed a £100 bet, I'd make £25. It's fantastic. So I hope that helps. Let's continue with the slides so I can continue to explain how it all goes. So we're already halfway there, to be honest. So step one, you join the free discussion group on WhatsApp. Maybe a friend has invited you, or you found a link to join on a website or a forum. Or essentially, if you're looking still to join, just go to ArbShooters.com. There'll be a big button that says join for free. Step two, click on the group discussion, read the important information, including the invite to join the Arb Alert No Chat group. So this is an example of what kind of Arb you'll see in the alert group. You see the race, time, the track. So in this example, Tampa Bay at 2019. The horse's name is Riddle Diddle. The bookmaker and price predictions. This is where the software shows you where the price is going to drop. So it's saying that the current odds are 15 and it's going to go down to 9. So if you're fast, you can get the odds at this great value of 15. So then we go ahead and place the bookmaker bet on the horse to win as soon as we see this, as soon as possible. And if we see the same price of 15, we go ahead and place that bet because we know it's going to drop to 9. So let's take that value as soon as we can. Then we go ahead and place our bet on the horse not to win, but we don't do that straight away. We do that nearer to the event start time. So say for example the event starts at 2019, we receive the Arb alert at say around 8 o'clock and we manage to get the price at odds of 15. We still have 20 minutes left, 19 minutes left until the event starts. So around 8:15, a few minutes, 3, 4, 5 minutes before the race starts, that's when we would want to place our lay bet in the exchange on the horse not to win. It's really that simple. And we use the odds calculator used on Profit Squirrel's website. It's free and that will show us how much profit we will make. Do not get confused with ArbShooter and regular Arbing. ArbShooter is far superior than any other arbitrage service. And here's why. Number one, with arb shooting, we take the price before it's expected to fall. So technically, this is not considered as arbing. Bookmakers won't really see you taking value in real time. They'll just think you're getting lucky. But we know that our software is showing us which price is about to fall. So we actually have an edge over the bookmakers and the sports market. The ROIs with arb shooting is far more than any other regular arbing service. You can get ROIs average up to 30% with ArbShooters, whereas with a regular service you're making tiny margins of like 2 to 3%. Also, ArbShooters is an alert service on mobile. It's the only one out there that's made to give you alerts straight to your mobile, which makes it faster and easier than any other arbing service out there. Your success rate is extremely high and profitable. So it's great time value for everyone involved, especially if you're working full-time already and just looking for a side hustle. So far, are you with me? Is it all making sense? If it's not, don't worry. The group that you've just joined for free on WhatsApp is filled with admins, regular members, and experienced people who are familiar with this. So you can reach out and get help at any time of the day. We have a great community of people. Take advantage of it. Do message in the WhatsApp group if you have any questions. We're happy to help. So here's what you need to do next. You need to create the following bookmaker accounts. The links are in the WhatsApp group description. Don't go astray. Make sure you click through the links that are in the group chat. Or you can join via Profit Squirrel's welcome offers, which is actually quite useful as well, especially if you have a small bank. I'll explain why. If I go back to profitsquirrel.co.uk and I go to welcome offers, most of these bookmakers are actually quoted here as well. So Betfair, William Hill, Coral, Ladbrokes. And if you actually did these offers through these guides, for example Bet365, you can also take advantage of their welcome offer. So here, bet 100, get 100. If you actually did this with Profit Squirrel, this will show you how to make around £70 to £80 of guaranteed profits. So you can take advantage of this way as well. So it's up to you. You either join through the WhatsApp links that are provided, or you can go ahead and join via Profit Squirrel's welcome offers section. It's also free to join. Tips to getting started right. Once you've registered with the bookmakers, download the mobile apps. It's easier. It takes one touch to log in. It helps you getting on the Arb alerts a lot faster. 2. Pre-deposit in each of your accounts. You don't want to be wasting time. And if you're new to this, start with small stakes of say £10. So do try and deposit at least £10 in each bookmaker site as soon as you registered. 3. Remain logged into your bookie apps. Just have the applications running in the background to save you more time. And finally, to improve your arb shooting skills and increasing your profitability and getting faster at everything, go ahead and find more free video guides on our YouTube channel. We have videos including a guide on frequently asked questions, a topic on drifters and how to deal with them, boosting your profits, profiting with a smaller bank. If you've only got £10–20 to start with, it's fine, we can still help you, and many more. Just search for ArbShooters on YouTube for more, and don't forget to subscribe. And that's all you need to do. So if you need any more assistance, visit arbshooters.com or just message directly in the WhatsApp group you just joined, and make sure you read the group description to get started. Welcome, and speak to you soon.